Hi, I'm Tyson with Adventure Rig, and thankfully we don't have a lot of these cloudy, overcast days here in Colorado, but when they come, I'm always glad to have the Shred Amazify goggles with me because the lens that they're using is top notch. It's a cylindrical lens and it provides a lot of contrast for these cloudy, flat light days, meaning I can see all of the contours in the snow. Before I talk more about the goggles themselves, I wanted to dive into the strap because these goggles are actually part of the BigShow recycled goggle line from Shred. This strap is actually made from 84% recycled plastic bottles. Out of every 100 pairs of goggles that Shred produces, they are recycling 170 plastic bottles into these straps. The packaging that the goggles come in is also plastic free. So Shred is doing their part to help the environment. Going back to the goggles themselves, the lens is made with their CBL technology, contrast boosting lens. Now, a lot of companies out there have their own proprietary system that they use so that you can see very well. Shred is no different. That CBL technology that they're using in the lens is really nice. Like I said before, once I put these goggles on, even on a day like today, it definitely helps with how clear I can see. The lens itself is a 2-layer lens, so there's this one on the exterior, and on the inside of the goggle, this one here is a different lens and there's air in between. The lens also has a pressure regulation valve, so if you're increasing or decreasing in altitude, the lens still stays clear so that you can see all day long, no matter the conditions that you find yourself in. They also have a nice wide lens leading to a great field of vision. I can just see the bottoms of the lens, however the top is out of my field of view as well as the sides. These goggles don't come with any extra lenses, however you can purchase them separately. They also interchange very easily. It's kind of an old school system that they have. The lens just snaps in and out. The frame is also very flexible, meaning that it's going to conform to your face. Also, these are made to go over your glasses. They have foam cutouts on each side made to go over your eyeglasses. Shred provides a lot of venting both on the top as well as on the bottom. So if you find that you're exerting a lot of energy, maybe your face starts to sweat throughout the day, the vents are really gonna help provide a lot of airflow through your goggles and prevent the inside from fogging. They also have anti-fog, and for me personally, I've never been in a situation where I've had the inside of these lenses fogging. Most importantly, besides giving you excellent visibility, this lens also provides 100% UVA protection. Again, these are made by Shred. They are the Amazify goggle. If you guys have any questions about them, please leave them in the comment section below and we'll get back to you. Also, if you'd like to purchase, you can go directly to the link that is in the description and you can purchase your own pair. If you guys are ever wondering where we are or what we're up to, check us out on Facebook and Instagram at Adventure Rig. If you like these videos, please give them a thumbs up as well as subscribe. Thanks again for watching. I'm Tyson with Adventure Rig.